my name is Jessica and welcome to Lumi Stitch. In today's video, we're gonna review 3 cross-stitch small kits that I bought from Dreamstitch website. And we're gonna take a look inside, compare the threads, look at the canvas. Let's get started. So I'm gonna tell you ahead of time that these kits do not have a good preview, so do not underestimate how good they're gonna look when they're finished. I'm gonna put the preview of the finished actual stitching on the screen. So this is the first one that I bought, and these are not 99 cents, but I think they're only like $2.99. They are pretty small. This is the first one, I think so, but it still has 39 colors. That's actually a lot of colors, and they do have a half stitch in this kit and a back stitch. This is the floss that kit has. It has this cute little bow, just like Painting Fairy does. This is all Egyptian cotton floss, 39 colors. They just give you enough to finish all your stitching. This is what we have, and this is a 14 count. Let me put it right here. 14 count Ada. Look at that beautiful clear printing. We're gonna test it because sometimes the stamped cross stitch does not fully wash out. So when I'm done stitching, I'm gonna test it because I'm gonna be probably starting to stitch this soon, and this will stitch up pretty fast. So subscribe and like my video so you can follow me and see when this project gets started. All right, the next one is very beautiful summer cross stitch kit right here. Each kit comes with lots of needles, like a whole bunch. Let me open this up real quick. Oh my god, I just noticed they I don't know if it's extra, they just put a whole bunch of needles in the back, like a lot, different kinds. Like I got like a whole bunch. Maybe that's like a gift or something when you order more than few kits. Take a look at how many. This kit is called Orange and Soda. This has 27 colors, and again, let me show you the legend. Let's read it off first. Has a full stitch, half stitch, and a back stitch, and I think the back stitch is also has different thread thickness, 2 and 1 threads. You can also always use the Google Translator if you have iPhone to translate what it says. It's very handy. All right, so 27 colors. So let's take a look at the colors. The colors are so beautiful, you guys. Again, it has this little bow here. When I say 27 colors, it also means that it's not the actual colors, because each color, like it's listed on there, would also maybe be like a half stitch, full cross. That would also, one color would count as 2 colors. So I think this one right here actually has 18 solid colors, and the rest is like might be blends, half stitches, and so on. Let's take a look at the canvas. This is also a 14 count canvas. They did leave a huge margins, I should say. Look at that printing, very, very clear, and the Ada is very good. Let's move on to the last kit, and like I said, don't pay attention to the preview because when it's stitched up, it's very, very beautiful. So I don't know why I picked this one, but the red color is like brings a happy mood. So perhaps I don't wear heels. I used to in the past. But I think it looks so cute. Maybe it can be like a cosmetic bag. When it's all done, it can be sewn on a cosmetic bag and it would look cute. All right, let's open this up. And all of these kits I paid $2.99 on Dreamstitch website. I apologize about the crinkling. Let's take a look at the canvas. This is so nice and clear. All right. And the floss here, let's see. It has close to maybe 27 colors, 26. Has all these beautiful red colors. I'm gonna show you the legend on this one. Okay, so this lists as 30 colors, but of course this is not all 30 colors. You can see here that it has full cross. Let's see. Yeah, this one has a full cross and half stitch as well as back stitch. All right, you guys. And this is all for today's episode. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and put any comments. Let me know what kind of stamped cross stitch you like and what you're working right now. Bye! I'll see you in the next one.